actually using the theme concept, Christmas socks.
At the Christmas party hop.
Welcome back to another week, and this week is our traditions, which is basically compiling everything that related to Christmas in one video. So I think it's called a Christmas vlog. Yesterday I did sing in a pub. Initially I planned to like talk with you, but it was a busy night, so I wasn't able to really talk in front of the cameras. So yeah, I basically did some like part-time to sing in a local cafe. It's not a pub, it's a cafe, I'm sorry. So for today, since we're turning on the cameras, you know that it is something related to Christmas, which is unboxing. If there's something that I cannot resist to get for Christmas, it's Christmas socks. I know it's freaking weird, but it's just something that I feel like I need to get for Christmas. I don't know why. So I'm gonna show you some socks that I got, and these are the most gorgeous, cutest, amazing, fantastic socks that I have ever owned. It's so cool. Look at this pair of socks. It's literally the cutest striped socks that I've ever owned. Look at this. Focus on this. Are you serious? Tell me this don't scream Christmas socks to y'all. I am definitely gonna wear this during Christmas. Oh my god, so cute! This is also very adorable. This one is more like, I don't know, it gives me really vintage vibe, I think. And I don't have this kind of socks. It's mysterious and it's vintage and it's like princess. I don't know. I also got myself some Christmas earrings. Oh my god, it's so cute! It's a freaking reindeer. And then a Christmas tree. How adorable is this? This is so freaking cute. Christmas bell, and then I have a snowflakes here. Like, I can't wait to wear this during Christmas. But anyway, that's basically what I have for today. I'm gonna finish up editing my what I got for Christmas video, because I still left a bit of like subtitles that I haven't added in. So I'm gonna see you when I see you. Toodles. Good morning, y'all. I just woke up and today is a Sunday, and actually I have a plan for today, which is to make a Christmas gift for my friends. I'm gonna DIY a bag for my friends.
You got people falling in love.
So the bag that I try to recreate is this kind of like pearl bag that I saw on Pinterest, and I remember that my friends told me that she liked pearls a lot, so I thought maybe I can try to recreate this pearl bag. So that's why I came out with these ideas to do this pearl bag. So the main concept to make this pearl sling bag is to create a loop. Pearl bag is created using tons and tons of loop. Once you understand the concept, all you need to do is to repeat the same actions continuously, day and night, or even when you are watching dramas. So let me show you how I did it. I start off by finding half point of the fishing rod and fold the entire thing evenly into half. Then I run 3 pearls through the fishing rod, and with the 4th pearl, I make a cross with both ends of the fishing rod. Then I put in another 2 pearls on each side of the rod, and again cross both ends of the fishing rod on the 3rd pearl. Then I repeat the same actions until I reach my desired length. Once you reach the desired length, which I call the ends here, it is the time to join the start and the ends together and to shift the rod to the second layer. The first thing to do once shifted to the second layer is to shift the rod to one side, building the back layer by layer. In this case, I choose left. So I add 2 more pearls to the right hand side before making a cross with the 3rd pearl. Then I just repeat the same process. The only difference is that I don't need to add another pearls to the left hand side anymore, but only adding 1 more pearls to the right hand side before making another cross. So last night I realized that I don't have sufficient amount of pearl that have the same diameters in order to complete a bag. So I, deconstruct everything and redo again. So instead of using only one size of the bead, I actually combine a larger diameters of pearls with a smaller pearls, but they're actually using the same concept. And I'm gonna let you guys know how many pearls that I actually use for this entire bag. And just to realize that I also have insufficient amount of pearls, so I think I'm gonna go to get more of the pearls or the beads for this Christmas gift. So I'm done with the body of the bag. Right now I'm gonna move on with the base. So this is the current progress of the bag. I added a cover and then I also add this strap. I think it's 90% complete. Now the only thing left for the bag is a little ribbon bow in the middle. I was wondering if I should put on a purple color or a white color. So I asked my friend for her thoughts because this is her bag and she chose a white. So I got a white color ribbons for this bag. So let's add in this little ribbon for the bag. Now I am going to pack it into a Christmas box. So I have this I don't know, is it a gold color or a brown color box? It is actually a shoe box. I decorated it to become the presents box. So let's get ready with the wrapping of the Christmas gift. I apologize for making a voiceover interruptions here, but I need to share a tips with y'all on how I tie a cute ribbon bow so that your presents will look more elegant. So the first thing is to make sure both ends of the ribbons pass underneath the cross to the other side before making a knot. Using my index finger and middle finger as a guide, I wrap the ends of the ribbons around my fingers. After that, I run the ribbons through the little gaps between my fingers and the ribbon before running it underneath the cross as well. Repeat the same actions once again to wrap the bow. With the remaining of the ribbons, I place it individually through the little hole of each side of the bow. So I need some help right now. I don't know which outfit to choose. So this is my first thought, which is basically a white color dress from Vero Moda. I did show in a video previously, and I'm thinking to pairing this with my Cinderella collections white color heels. And then this one is my second options. I have this top from Pomelo, and then this pants is from Boohoo. My friends and I actually plan to have a theme for tonight. It's either white color or red color, but I think I'm gonna go with the white dress just now. That's the outfit, everyone. See you guys later.
I got some new feelings that make you uncomfortable. Bring out all the good in me.
Merry Christmas!
I got me some reason to got my keys in the car. On the roof of your house, 'cause I've been having my doubts. Oh yeah, yeah. Guess now we're giving it.